Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to change your TikTok account age. If you created a TikTok account and added the wrong birth date, or if you simply want to update your age to unlock features like going live or sending gifts, TikTok doesn't allow you to edit your birthday directly in the profile settings. Instead, you have to submit a request to TikTok support and verify your identity. This process might sound complicated, but it's actually very straightforward if you follow the steps carefully. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can see your posts, followers, and account settings. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three lines menu icon. This will open the main settings menu. Here, select Settings and Privacy. This is where TikTok stores all options related to your account, content, and preferences. Scroll down until you find the option called Report a Problem and tap on it. Inside this section, look for Account and Profile and select it. From the list of sub-options, tap on Editing Profile, since your issue is related to changing your profile information. Next, tap on Other. After that, you'll see a button that says Need More Help. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open a text box where you can directly contact TikTok support. Here, type a message such as, "I want to change my birth date." Once you're done, tap on Send. Once you submit the request, TikTok will guide you through the process. Now, tap on Confirm Date of Birth. After that, select your correct birth date and tap on Next. Now you'll need to choose a verification method, such as facial age estimation or uploading a selfie with your ID. After completing the steps, TikTok will review your request and update your account age. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.